Slow.
Cold. You need to be cold.
Cold.
What's some?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out here on the road.
So we are officially in Riga, finally, and we're going to explore what's the biggest market in Europe here in Riga. Okay, before getting in, I will put my chest strap here for my camera. But this looks insane. It's 4 buildings like that. Some fruit, some local food we're going to try. Right?
Yeah. Have you ever tried Kvass?
Kvass?
Yeah. It's something very, very interesting from here.
You think we should try? They have the flour here.
That's crazy.
Wow. They do all the process of the pizza. And you do boom, and you get the pizza.
Yeah. But it's 7 euros for margarita. That's just like a tomato and cheese.
Yeah, it must take long. Okay, let's try that drink.
Okay.
The local drink. Will be interesting. I don't know if I should drink that. Okay, brother, let's try. Let's try. 50 cents is, yeah, the smallest.
Maybe do.
Oh, thank you. I already tried.
What is this?
What?
You need to know what is this.
You need to know, as a second guess. It's from bread, right?
Yes. This from
Yes.
Yep.
Yes. Okay. How do you drink it? Is it slow or shot?
Slow. It's
Slow.
cold. You need to be cold.
Cold.
What's some?
Oh yeah, I like it.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it. It's interesting.
Maybe second.
I already tried it in Belarus.
This is from Belarus.
It's from Belarus.
I like it.
You're from Belarus.
No, I'm from here. There is juice.
I like it. It's cool, man.
Interesting.
Look. No video. No recording. No dogs. No guns. No guns.
We cannot get in.
All right. I thought it would be bigger.
No, I think it's big, huh?
It's big. Yeah. But I thought it would be like outside, like crazy shops. But it's very like normal buildings.
Yeah, it's kind of like big but empty.
Yeah. I don't know if I should drink all of this. You want?
I don't like it that much.
Look, you can buy knives.
No, look, 45.
45%
It depends on
volume.
which. It depends on
Wow.
which.
Yeah,
But I think it can get
strong.
to 70.
You don't want to buy this? But they have swords and guns everywhere. Are the guns allowed in this country?
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Spanish food. Okay, let's see the local Spanish food. Jamón. Queso. Approved. Dumpling. This is
More like.
local, kind of like
Yeah, look, this is.
Eastern Europe dumplings.
Yeah, exactly. The main is like more from Russia.
Let's see what else we find, but if not,
Okay, yeah, let's walk around.
open it here. Nothing too interesting, so I'll stop recording until I find something worth to see. Because so far everything is like a normal market. I don't know what I expect from this country. It is literally Europe, nothing crazy, but it's a bit more Sovietic. Wow, look at this fish. Fish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here they have a lot of dry fish.
That's the difference, and that's the smell also.
Yeah.
The dry fish. Sick. Wow, the smell here is so strong. It's like fish.
Look, something you not see in Catalonia, some caviar.
Salmon cold
Caviar.
smoky.
This is one little piece of nice caviar. Small one. But there's fish that looks like it has been here for months. All of this is fish, everything.
А мне противопоказано. Я так и не сломаю.
Anguilla, yeah. Sick. This, what is like, also salad.
Divreiz dienā 20 dienā,
Ai,
vienreiz dienā 40.
sure.
Testo.
Jā,
Oh, un pesto. Es como el pesto, sí. Hello.
okay, mix, cookies mix.
Ah, it's cookies.
Jā, mix.
Ah.
Sako, rom raisi, aprikos,
Oh.
plum cashew.
Sweet zephyr, it's made from apple. It's quite nice. I really like it. And
A Russian.
this is like bread, but with flavors. It has a lot of things that we don't have. And then they have
Yeah.
like, all the potatoes from the taste.
Right, yeah. Pips.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Подождите, в другой раз выходит, тут не то, что надо. Так, да.
So,
Да, спасибо.
You're speaking Russian. Man, you're crazy. With my friend from Catalonia, but he speaks Russian.
yeah, all the languages.
He's sorting me out here. Coffee in edible cup. You can eat the cup.
Let's see if there's some Latvian.
Yes, I'm looking for some Latvian food. More than East Europe.
Maybe we can ask someone.
Dumplings. And pancakes. Skinny people are easier to kidnap. Stay safe, eat sausage, or better, eat two. You already know. Yeah, let's try one of those. Not one, but many. This looks bang made. Typical Latvian food. And a smoothie. I guess it's with coconut and blueberries. What's the name? Dumplings?
It's like pelmeni and hinkali.
Hinkali, permeni, and
Some pancakes.
some pancakes. How was the food?
Very good.
From 1 to 10?
8.
8. 7.5. The Statue of Liberty from the Russian Empire when Riga was first founded more than 100 years ago. And we're done. I know it was not a very entertaining video. There's no action, everyone's quiet, it's cloudy, it's Sunday. So, you know, I would recommend if you want some more action, watch the videos in Bali and then subscribe because I've got some more videos coming up that I think you will enjoy. And then tomorrow we've got another day here. I will work and I will do some other things I have to do. And then finally fly in the night in Riga, in Latvia, And in the future, I want to come back and see Estonia and Lithuania, but it's kind of the same style of city. So for now, I don't think I will do it. Let me know where would you want to see me traveling in the next time, because I don't have any plans. And this statue reminds me of freedom. So remember, you're free. You're the owner of your own life. Just choose freedom and travel the world. This is Rodri on the road. One more day, one more country. Please subscribe to the channel if you like this video.